Watch the whole video to see this biker give away free pizza.
That's funny watching you do that. Wait, you're on camera.
Yeah, grab a slice.
Look, our friend in the wheelchair takes a tumble, but fear not, because our hero is here to save the day.
Tutun abi bana. Oh pardon. Dur arkana geçeyim ben.
He swoops in like a guardian angel, lending a hand to our friend in need. It's incredible how one small act of kindness can make such a big impact.
Var mı bir şey?
Look at this little pup, all alone and vulnerable on the street. The motorcyclist notices the puppy and decides to help.
Hello. Come here. Come here. Whose dog is this? Hey. Hey. It's okay. It's okay. Hello. Hello. It's okay. Come here.
He carefully picks up the puppy and places it gently on the nearby sidewalk. Now, it's amazing that this biker stepped in to help, but in situations like these, it's better to involve professionals, like the animal ambulance, to ensure the best care for the puppy. In this we got another rescue by a different rider. This time a little kitten got rescued.
Go in there, boy. No, don't go on the road. There you go. Oh.
Again, it was better to call professionals, because the kitten could have gone back on the street. It looks like someone dropped some serious cash.
It's right outside this.
But guess what? I think it belongs to the car parked right next to it. Hidden surprise right on their windshield.
I don't see anyone, but yeah, their door's open now. I don't want to take it and then be like.
You never know how a small act of kindness can brighten someone's day. This biker sees a poor woman on her bike and it looks like she needs some help. He checks her out.
It's dead?
It seems the bike is dead.
Damn, you try to push start it?
I've been trying since up there.
Fuck. Where are you going?
I gotta go to
Cause I say maybe I can like, I don't even know. Do you got somebody to come help? Nobody?
I didn't want to make her feel uncomfortable, so I turned off my GoPro. I almost got it to start on the first push start, but then I thought, wait, I should turn back on my GoPro for the content, and then just wait and see what happens.
He takes the bike and tries to push start it. He just keeps trying it. It does not work until this legend comes to help.
Go ahead, brother. Go, 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 go. All right, ready?
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
With the amazing help of this man, the bike started.
I don't want to. Here, hold the clutch and get on. I don't know if it's a neutral or not.
In this clip, we're about to witness an epic act of kindness. Our motorcyclist here is on a mission to spread some joy on the streets.
What's going on, dude? Could I get one of their $5 hot and readies? Thanks.
The pizza mission is a go. Our rider is armed with cheesy goodness, ready to put a smile on people's faces. Let's see who's in for a treat. Look, there's someone right there, waiting for their lucky moment.
What's up, dude? Want a slice of pizza? Want one? Here. Light green.
The light turned green. Luck wasn't on our side this time. But don't worry, the biker does not give up that easily.
Offer these guys some pizza. Want a slice? Come on. Come on. Grab one.
Look at that. No, that's all right now.
Come on.
That's funny watching you do that. Wait, you're on camera.
Yeah, grab a slice.
Oh, there we go.
There you go. Thank you.
Our motorcyclist manages to deliver the pizza slice and brings a smile to someone's face. That's what it's all about, spreading the love.
There's my good deed.
As we were cruising down, something completely unexpected caught our attention. Let's take a look. Can you believe it? There's a turtle right in the middle of the road. Poor little guy must be lost and confused. But don't worry, our friendly neighborhood biker is here to save the day. Now, it's time to find this little dude a new home. We can't have him wandering into danger. Whenever you encounter a wild animal in need, please do your best to assist them while ensuring your safety and theirs. I stumbled upon this incredible motorcyclist in India who's on a mission to spread warmth and kindness to the homeless people on the streets.
दो जैकेट चाहिए जैकेट
These clothes might not seem like much to us, but for them, it means a lot, especially during those chilly nights. These amazing individuals have gone through so much, and it's incredible to see how a simple act of giving can make a difference in their lives. This motorcycle group sees a rabbit and are going to save him.
Is that a rabbit? Oh! Oh! Dude, I almost hit that. He's still sitting there.
Okay.
Should I turn around?
Yeah, let's go get him.
Yeah, here.
You have to get back on the...
No. I'm gonna park the bike right here on the sidewalk. No joke. Pull up there. Pull up there.
They stop right here to go back to the rabbit.
Oh, God. Right here?
Yeah.
You gotta go get him.
He looks like he's not that scared because he's just sitting there.
You think the biker? Why don't we find here?
You'll be fine. Yeah, I think there's plenty of room.
I'm gonna go see.
He runs towards him like the Flash.
Don't run him over! Don't run him over!
Oh, no!
He's hurt!
Wait for me!
Don't hit the bunny!
Yeah,
I think so. Don't run him over, bro!
This guy.
Another truck stops to check on the situation.
Get out of there! Oh! No, don't go in there! Don't go in there! Oh, no! Don't go in there! Don't go! No!
This guy's coming to get him!
It's okay.
Oh, he's gonna catch him! Oh, my...
He caught him with his hat. I think that guy had experience.
He looks like he got hit, huh?
What's our feet?
Get him on the other side of the gate.
Oh, no.
There we go. Go on, buddy. Oh, he got hit by a car.
Oh.
Thanks, man. we saw him. We came ripping down here, and I almost hit him, and he's literally just sitting in the road. Yeah.
Poor guy.
Thanks, guys.
A biker comes across a fellow rider in distress and approaches him to offer assistance.
my reserve come on and
Okay.
I don't have a
Yeah.
The bike is experiencing difficulty in starting up.
Hold on. Yeah, dude, I think you're dry.
Huh?
I think you're dry. Hold on.
Let me look in there. Maybe since I don't have my helmet,
His fuel tank is completely empty.
well, I know my fuel light's on, so I don't
Yeah,
know.
dude, I think you just ran out of gas, my friend. So let's get you some gas and try it. See if we can find.
Our friend is lending a helping hand. He goes to a shop to buy some gas for the stranded biker. He found it in the 7-Eleven.
Got it. Yeah, that's right.
There's ants everywhere, so be careful of that too.
All right, man.
He came back with a full jerrycan of liquid gold.
So where did you find it at?
Do you see this Publix right here?
Yeah.
In the Publix parking lot, there's a Mobil 1 gas station. You just gotta pinch the pinch that piece so it gets over that ridge. So put it in, right? And then release that.
Pull the trigger.
Yeah.
This guy is teaching him everything.
Here we go. It's a good sound. That's never sounded better. There she goes, my friend.
Man, fired right up, dude.
And it works again. It was just an empty gas tank.
Funny, man. Hey, you're gonna remember this though. That's what's funny about it.
Dude, you're a blessing, man. Holy cow. What a big old light you got.
Appreciate that, man.
This guy really did something great today.
No, man. Thank you, man. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate it that you made it till the end of the video. Like and subscribe for more amazing content.